What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good evening sa Pilipinas. Musta na po kayo? Oh man, sarap magkape. good morning, or good evening. Welcome. Let's give it a few more seconds para um, everybody get settled. Dogecoin going to the moon. It's got to get a few hurdles real quick. Dogecoin above 45 cents is attractive to me. So, hintay natin ang Dogecoin. Bantayan natin. But we do have a few things we can definitely go over uh, mamaya. Good morning. Good evening. Welcome. Thank you for tuning in this evening, guys. Kumusta ang araw nyo sa Pilipinas? Kumusta ang Monday? Kumusta ang trading? I'm gonna be answering some questions from the Discord. See if anybody got some questions before we go into the charts. The charts are for mainly everyone to para they get the opportunity to kind of watch and learn how to read charts. Let's see. Question: what happened to the market if there is a large buy and large sell? Nothing. It just they fight it out until somebody wins. Pretty much. It's like, you'll see like an indecision doji. Nobody knows which way that thing is going. So, yan ang mangyayari pag may large buy, large sell order. Like, for example, there's so much volume into the Doge right now. Nobody knows where it's going. So right now, so far, sellers are kind of taking over right here in this area. We can zoom in on that. Check natin ang Doge. This is on the hourly chart. So right now we hit pretty much a resistance in this area here sa 42 cents area. So there's always a large sell order in that area kasi yan ang previous yung previous resistance nila. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you hit a certain threshold, there's always that wall na kailangan talaga ma-break. So, for example, these two here it took a long time for Doge para break yung wall dito, pero it finally broke this morning, and then another wall up here. So just wait for that to play out, but I think Dogecoin has a lot more room to grow. Especially, I think Dogecoin is pretty much a bubble at this point. But there's nothing wrong with bubbles. I kind of like bubbles. Bubbles. Kumusta? How's everybody doing? Please like and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time we're live. We do go live sa Monday all the way to Saturday evening in the Philippines. Para we all get the opportunity to learn a little bit about charts and how to day trade, things like that. How to look out for potential uh, cryptos that can go um, parabolic or that can go crazy. So yeah, I'll be going over how to do all that. You just kind of have to add them to your watch list, para and then set them set alerts once it hits a certain price. Yun ang yun ang like that's the price you want to set the alert to. So that way you get notifications every time that it's about to hit that price and you don't forget about it. Kasi minsan, oh, we want to take a look at something, but then nakakalimutan natin and then all of a sudden it's too late. So yeah. Good morning, everybody. Let's see. Let's go ahead and kind of get started. So, another thing too. Kasi last Friday we did a random, what do you call it? Like we picked a random crypto, so we can buy it for the long term for only YouTube. This is only for YouTube. It's a YouTube account, and what we're gonna do from now on is we are gonna use Mondays, and we're gonna choose a random crypto. So comment down any crypto you want me to buy, and we're gonna hold it for the rest of the year. So we're gonna do that here in a little bit. So let's see. Yeah. This week, guys, be prepared for volatility. There you go. Volatility. It's gonna be volatile this week. So be careful. There's gonna be some big ups and some big downs. It's gonna be unpredictable where it's gonna be going, but it's volatile. Kasi it's just the way the things, how the market goes. It's also the same for the stock markets. It's gonna be very volatile this week. So since Doge is kind of chilling in this area, just be careful trading this para alam nyo yung what kind of pattern it's setting up for. Because I know it's gonna want to break 44 cents eventually, pero kailangan talaga mag-form ng some type of bull flag pattern. It could be something like this, something like that. Pero we'll see, right? This is not finished. Something's setting up here. Let's see what the Discord is saying. Bollinger Bands. Di ako mahilig sa mga ganyan. Don't need it. So, let's see. 1 second. Tignan natin yung where were you at? Lalagin muna ako sa yung ginagamit natin para sa YouTube account is the KuCoin platform. It looks kind of like Binance in a way. But I think Binance is still 100 times better. I don't know. I can't figure it. So last time nagkamali tayo sa how do you say, like pagkakabili ng TRX. I don't know if I said that right. But we bought TRX. We bought $750 worth when it's only supposed to be $100. But I fixed it. Now it has 100 and oh no wait 750 shares or something like that, and as well as pwede pa lang i-stake yung yung TRX, so I went ahead and stake it for the rest of the year. So we are going to be trading or buying a random coin, so that way we can hold it for the rest of the year. All right. So what was the question with XRP? Kumusta po XRP? What's up, Jomar Reyes? I like Jomar. He's always here, and so is other people. Danny. I see a few names. Nah, I don't recognize. Keisha and Noel. What's up, guys? Um, so let's look at XRP real quick on the hourly. So I see here that it did not get a pass this level, this resistance that I draw yesterday. But parang ano to, yung parang road na siya sa $1.83 and then eventually $2. So yung battle zone niya for that area is here, retesting that previous high, and then around here you can see it's retesting that previous high as well. So as long as it holds here, I mean, it's okay. Pero I think we still need to see a little bit more downside. So we might trade sideways again. It depends. It really depends on sa Bitcoin. Kasi ngayon, I said that if Bitcoin dominance falls below 50%, everything else is going to rally. So if that happens, then it's going to break this area. Let me clear this up. Parang ang messy. So yeah, so this is a huge resistance right here now. Battle zone battle zone 1 and then battle zone 2. Once now we break this area, then 183 would be next target. 183 is somewhere around here, right there, or here. And then eventually it's going to magta-try ulit i-break yung $2 area. Okay. First, we got to get past this previous high. Okay. Previous highs. And then we'll move up faster. So, as you can see, guys, I drew this type of trend. I like doing this type of trend. It helps me figure out resistance, support, and resistance, and where it's going. So you can do this. You can draw your line all the way from from this bottom or from this bottom to this bottom, and then just clone it, so you don't have to keep doing the line. So what you can do is click on one of the lines. Like, so let's say you na draw mo na tong line na to. Support na yan, ha. So and then all you do is click it. Click the three. Kung ginagamit mo ang trading view, click the three circles right here. And then clone, and then it's gonna give you another line. So that would be this one here. And then just, I'm gonna put another one down here. Like right there. Because I feel like we still need for we still need to cool down a little bit. As you can see here, let me show you guys on the daily chart. This area here still, to me, it still needs to go down here somewhere. This is the, I never really know how to say it. Stosh, I don't know. Stochastic. But yeah, this is on the daily chart. So what else? Good morning, everybody. If you're just coming in, welcome. Good morning. Uh, Doge is a pretty much a bubble at this point, going up. I want the same thing. Low key, guys. Gusto ko din yun sa XRP. Take profits on the way up. So I do have something to share with you guys kasi we need to watch out. The time is getting closer and you're probably going to be like, "What? Really?" The time is getting close for Bitcoin to finish its top. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's go look at BTC. So BTC, as you guys know, let me get rid of my indicator here. There's things you have to understand in this bull cycle. So first, let's do this. Where is my price range? So last time we had a drop or a pullback correction, whichever one you want to call it. It's always somewhere around 20 to 30%. That one's 35. This one was 46%. There's another one here. 20%. And then this one was around 27%, which is not too bad. But that's normal on a bull market. Normal yan. But here's the thing. So Bitcoin found a support right here around $55,000. It's There's certain things you want to look out for to figure out if that's the end or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this line here, clone, and then we're gonna do another one. See how it automatically kind of figures out like yung support, or no, not support, resistance already, right? So there's a hit on that resistance there, here, here, and then here. Tapos do another one, another line. So you guys can see, right? It's kind of this uptrend, right? It kind of goes up, hit a resistance, finally breaks it, then retest for that, retest that resistance, retest, and then it goes up, new highs, all time high, and then drops, right? So it drops, retest on that previous support, goes up again, and then drops all the way down here. So this is a something you can use, so that way you guys can kind of figure out the trend and where where it's heading next. So previous high, the first high we had was around 40 41 $42,000, and then the higher the line goes, of course the higher the price will get. And then we had a high here after breaking this, broke out, kind of traded sideways, but you know then to all new time highs right here. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, man. Ang aga kasi. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. I think it's the coffee. Then all time high. Then it went down. See, as you can tell, it always hits this either resistance or the support. So, which is a pretty cool. I don't know what do we call it? Trend lines that you could use. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Um, if you're new here, just letting you know, live kami Monday to Friday. Oh, here we go again. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. po. Okay, so back to the the topic I was trying to show you guys is this big drop here. Ito talaga yung pinaka sign na malapit na mag-top ang Bitcoin. Hindi natin alam kung what price it's going to be, but this price currently for BTC is getting too high, or it's already way too high actually. I'm sorry, keeping my eye on Doge as well, but it's getting too high for BTC. What we want to look for now is either a blow off top. So it seems that it's holding here pretty well, but if it doesn't, guys, that might be the end. If anything below here for BTC, it's pretty much the end of BTC. And then what's gonna happen is since na broke na yung support dito sa 55,000, it's gonna go down, and then the retest. The retest is when altcoins will rally along with. So when this starts to go down, when BTC starts to go down here, altcoins will pretty much rally ahead of it. So this retest, and then it will keep rallying. So and then BTC will retest and then pretty much drop to, I don't know, 80, I don't know, 60, 70, maybe 80%, something like that, and then the start of bear market. If that doesn't happen, here's another scenario. BTC is nearing the top. So BTC will hit this resistance here, probably come down, and then something like this, guys, is not always 100% accurate, but what we need to see is a blow off top. Okay, that's the blow off top there. It's just straight up hit of, see, as you can see, like it's somewhere around 80 to, I don't know, $85,000, but what you're gonna see is a blow off top, and then just go straight down, something like that. That would be the sign that BTC's run is pretty much tapos na. And then alt season starts, right? So the altcoins. So this is the altcoin total market cap. This is when we had that big drop. So, oh man, wrong one. Not text. I don't want to text. There we go. This is a 40% drop on the altcoin total market cap. What is the total market cap just for altcoins only? What is it? Is somewhere in the trillions. Well, yeah. Can't see. I don't know where it is. But anyways, we had this same pullback, right? Over and over, right here. 54%. And then little one here. It was actually 48% there. But yeah, we'll see something like this over and over. But this will continue to go, way up. But right now, everything looks like it's not rallying as big because it's still down here. So this is for the altcoins. So like if you're not seeing XRP, VET, and TRX and all them are, it's because we haven't decided to move up yet. This is on a daily candle or daily chart. We can always go to the 4 hour chart. So it's right here. So as you can see, anytime this goes down, every altcoin will kind of come down with it. So then BTC's dominance over altcoins. So this every time BTC's dominance goes up, altcoins go down. So yeah. So yeah, we need to keep, as investors, if you haven't been in the space for a long time and you're new, keep in mind that this is about to end soon. Who knows when it's going to happen? Actually, I know yung Great Reset. So there's inflation, uh, money printing, situation with the governments, print money, print, um, give it to the people, and create more debt. And eventually, that's not all that great actually. It's really bad. So once na it becomes, hindi ko talaga like, I'm not sure how to explain it 100%, but basically ang uh, understanding ko sa Great Reset is when that debt can no longer be paid, the government has to pretty much do a Great Reset. And then some say that that's going to be good for XRP, but who knows, right? And we can basically, we can just speculate on that. Ngayon sa XRP, so I had a box right here, but then again, just wait on XRP to go lower below this line here. I think anything below where it's at right now, 140 and below, would be a great buy-in. Because, but if you're holding for several months, maybe long term, it's anywhere you can buy, anywhere down here, anywhere below this line here, maganda yan. Nadinig ko lang kay Moon Lambo. Yung about the Great Reset. Oh yeah. I'm surprised you guys know about those guys. Moon Lambo, um, digital asset investor, working money channel. There's a lot of guys, man. They are all about XRP, which is good. Which is good. I actually watch a few of their videos and I like them. It's all positive. I like it. There's a huge follower when it comes to XRP, and if you guys know Jeremy Hogan, he's a really cool lawyer. He loves XRP. DC crypto. Oh yeah, yeah. No, absolutely, man. I was a Twitter lang. I have a lot of news sites that I go to um, for XRP news, but I'm kind of like all crypto since I've been here since 2017. There's so many cryptos that has a lot of potential, and I'm pro crypto. I like all cryptos. All cryptos lives matter. Yeah, let's look at the thing here real quick. No questions? No more questions sa ano? Wala pa ako nakikita. So um all like yung mga questions sa ano regarding like wallets and stuff like that. Um wallets. Mainly, I don't know if it's we can use them here in US, but any like Binance questions, hindi kasi kami pwede dito sa sa US gamitin yung Binance and all that. The only wallet I use is Exodus. Um, it's my favorite wallet. I've been using them for years. Never had an issue with them. You have your own keys. Um, you know, it's very fast and user friendly wallet. If you can use it in the Philippines, I would recommend it. I'm not getting paid to say that. I don't have a referral link. So, but yeah, check out Exodus. Um, yeah, it definitely can be expensive, pero maganda talaga siya. Worth it. Remember, guys, don't worry. Like if it's quality, that's what you want. Quality. I like it. Straightforward talaga. I like Exodus. I like Exodus a lot. Um, they I don't know. One times they said na they hold every coin, almost like 99% of the coin, pero hindi. They don't. But it's okay because I mean XRP is my biggest the biggest bag I have that I'm holding at the moment. um and they support it, so you know anytime I need to, let's just say transfer something, or let's say if I'm gonna um I don't know, let's say I'm gonna sell some or take profit on some, then it's easy. It's really easy. They have an app for your phone. They have it on desktop. It's pretty cool. Don't do exchanges at Exodus, and you'll be fine. Uh, I tried Exodus. Yeah. What do you think of TKO? TKO. I look at that one several times, but I don't have it on my. Let me find it first. Dami kong watch list. So yeah, I think we talked about TKO last time. TKO is, remember, we had this downtrend for the longest time, and then I said it it pretty much ended right here. So I said this would be a new trend, and then all of a sudden, next thing you know, it yeah, it broke out of this previous resistance here. I guess that's not like too long of a resistance, but it's almost a couple weeks old that it's been kind of trading sideways like this for a while. And then now it's just kind of, it went up, it's retesting that resistance he just broke, right? As you can see, boom, broke it to retest it, and it's probably going to go higher. Let's see how high. See where it goes. So yeah, it's just retesting right now. Next, I would say next stop would be about 4.50, $4.50. I would say your username, but I can't even pronounce it. It's all letters. Anybody posted new news on the broker exchange service for able trading crypto asset? What is that feature? Exchange service. Yeah, cool, cool. Win. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Win. Where you at, Win? There you are. Win. Still trading sideways. So kind of broke through this support here. Let's see. Boom. Support there. Bounce from this key level support down here. And then it kind of came back up towards our little triangle here. So anytime now. How long? Where's my thing? So this is a 4-hour. Let's see. Let me fix this to 4 hours. Yeah, hours. Okay. So from here, might need about a little less than a day or 2 days before we see some type of breakout, either to the upside or downside. So wait on it. Keep it in your watch list. Add an alarm. Set an alarm. Let's say if it goes up, if you are waiting for it to go up, just hit right click, add alert, and then just hit it right there. And then it'll automatically notify you that, when is breaking out of this alert level right here. And then, yeah, all you got to do is click OK, and it'll take you straight to the chart.